Bro, dropshipping is stupid. You saw an edit of a guy in Dubai having like $50,000 of revenue on a Shopify site. But guess what? It's so fucking stupid. It convinces you that school and work is like a matrix and it traps you. But it's not the case. You open your laptop, go on Shopify, you pick like a random product like a LED lamp or like a cheap trash can and you put it on your site. You spend 4 hours like getting the site set up, getting the logo, getting the domain, watching like a dropshipping course. You put entrepreneur in your Instagram bio before actually achieving anything. Your brain is giving you like a massive dopamine hit for being a businessman. You think like you will be like the next Mark Zuckerberg and shit. You won't if you do it wrong. You go on your bank balance, you see like minus $4.50 because you putting $5 on a TikTok ad, reaching 4 people from different countries. Actual business requires capital. You can't start with $5. You need like minimum of 500, 1,000 or even more. You won't be the next Mark Zuckerberg, the next Jeff Bezos without having actual capital. You need money to make money. They also didn't start with $0. They put in some capital. Stop playing businessman on a free trial. Find like a high paying skill, high income skill that will actually make you money. So then, and only then you can start like a dropshipping store. But until then, focus on the more important tasks. And also like, not only like the $50,000 per month entrepreneurs ruin your life, rappers also ruin your life. So watch this video next on how they ruin your life. Until then, stay dangerous.